you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Look Fantastic for March. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so I just received Look Fantastic's beauty box for March. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, one of you guys is going to be in some luck. They accidentally sent me two. It was a logistics problem. They accidentally sent me two. So I'm gonna give one of these to you guys. So if you wanna go ahead and watch this video, see what's inside, and if you're interested in winning one of these for yourself, then at the end, I will tell you how, and one of them I'm gonna ship directly to one of you guys so you can enjoy everything that's going to be inside. So I'm going to leave one just the way that it is. I'm not even gonna open it, cut the tape, do anything. You can figure out if it's the same variation. So I'll go ahead and open this one. It should be exactly the same. We're gonna find out what's inside here. So there is the lid, very, very pretty. It says on the inside, there is no force more powerful than a woman's determination to rise. Ain't that the truth? And yeah, so that is really cool. So beauty beyond boundaries. When you open it up, you see 4 gorgeous women right there. And inside of this, we'll go over the items that are inside, go over what's in the box, and each individual item. It does not give you individual pricing for the item. So let's go ahead and dive in. When you first open it up, that's what it looks like. And there's a little sneak peek to what's inside the box. Let's go ahead and see what's all inside of here. What is this? This first thing says it's facial radiance pads, help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. That's nice even to like toss in your purse or your book bag or for travel. So you have a little facial wipes kind of like on the go if you wanted. This item right here, this one was a variation of one of two. You have 5.1 and 5.2. You would have received the pads or a sample of the coconut water cream. So I got the pads. I've already had the water cream, so I'm glad I got that for the variation. So I'm not sure what variation is going to be in that box, but whoever wins gets to find out. So let's just keep on going and see what else we have in here. Now we have is an Ahava Dead Sea Mud Mineral Mud Soap. I have used a lot of their lotions and hand creams, but I've never actually had a bar of soap. So that is really neat. It says a purifying soap suitable for the use on both the face and the body, formulated to wash away dirt and impurities without stripping your skin of its necessary moisture. And there's that. That also is a good size bar to hold for traveling as well. Anytime I get like small little shampoo, conditioners, things like this, I toss in one drawer, and anytime I travel, which right now, I really wish I could, but I can't. But then I have them ready to go, or just use them as you get them. You can try them out, and if you like, get the full size. So then this right here is going to be Robin. Yeah. This is a regenerating mask with rare prickly pear seed oil. Is it a mask for your face or your hair? It says a revitalizing hair treatment. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love hair treatments. Perfect for dry and damaged hair, full of antioxidant and rejuvenating properties that penetrate your hair and scalp, protecting your hair from split ends and breakage, as well as treating colored hair and restoring pigment to leave it looking vibrant and healthy. I love hair treatments. Did I? Yeah, I touched my... Oh, and it smells so good. I can't wait to use that. Oh, it smells so good. Massage a small amount into wet hair after shampooing. I can't wait to use that. So there's that item. Next we have, and this says AM to PM, Lottie, London. It says black. So here we have is a pencil eyeliner, and I'm so glad that this is not a liquid liner for once. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to use it. I'm so excited. We always get liquid, and this one is a pencil. You can see from the picture, it rolls up. And it is black in color. A pencil eyeliner with a gel finish to add drama and definition to your eye look. With a formula that will glide effortlessly over the eye, avoiding any pull or discomfort, complete with a retractable sharpener to keep the liner in tip-top condition. That is so cool. Ooh, it is very creamy. It is very creamy. I'm so excited. I'm so excited that it is a, you know, not liquid. Next item in here, you guys, it says blossom. It's a blossom bloom. One way says bloom, one way says blossom. And it says Wander Worker Multitasking Balm. How to use: apply with clean finger to skin that needs a little extra attention for external use only. Alrighty, so there's that. And this one here says a versatile skin-loving wonder balm filled with a blend of nourishing ingredients to condition and hydrate your skin. Whether you are suffering from chapped lips, dry hands, this natural balm can help. Rich in anti-inflammatory properties to protect, condition, and treat even the most delicate of skin. So you can use this anywhere, lips to elbows to knees, wherever you would like, you can use that. That's really cool. And then let's see here, we have another item here. This says Ice Source Moisturizing Cream. What is it? A cooling treatment that will leave your skin feeling hydrated and refreshed. Combining 3 active ingredients, this face mask nourishes your complexion by warding off dryness and dehydration. Its uplifting scent will also rejuvenate your senses. Massage into slightly damp skin after your bath or shower until fully absorbed. So it's not one that you rinse off. I'm so excited for that now too. So now I can actually use it, and it smells good. So let's see what it smells like. There is a seal. I'm so excited that you leave it on your skin and you don't have to take it off. Let me see. It has a nice fresh, it has a really nice fresh scent to it. So that's gonna smell really good. All right, you guys, so I think this might be the last item here. And this says Brush Works Double-Ended Brow Brush. There's that. A dual-ended eyebrow brush that helps you achieve the perfect brow with every use. The angled brush works well with both cream and powder products to help you create natural brushstroke hairs. Wow, the spoolie end is great to brush through any product and create a fluffy, more feathered brow look. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So pulling it out of here, this is already a little brown. It's angled too for you. And then there is the angled end right there. You guys, I don't really use double-ended brushes, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this because I always stick them all in my little thing and I don't like the bottom ones to get messed up by just shoving it in my brush holder. So I'll probably just save this for one of you guys to go in a future giveaway. But there is a double-ended brow brush. So it's really cool because then you can do both with one. You flip it and reverse it. And yes, that is everything that is in there, you guys. So a quick recap of what we got. We have the hair mask, which I'm super, super excited about. You have a face mask that you don't need to wash off. You have a balm that you can use from your lips to your skin to anywhere. You have this or that product with First Aid Beauty. We have a Ahava soap bar, a double-ended eyebrow brush, and then we have a black liner, pencil liner. And don't forget, one of you guys gets to win this same box if you are interested. So if you like the contents that came in here and you're interested in winning this box for yourself, then this is all you need to do. Simple and sweet, like all of my giveaways. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, to give back to you that are here supporting me positively on my channel. I want to give back, show my appreciation to you guys. So be subscribed, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave one comment down below. In that comment, put in Sharing is caring, and whatever else you would like, as long as you have the words sharing is caring in that sentence, in that comment. 1 comment per username, putting in the words sharing is caring to make it fair for everybody that is entering into this giveaway. You must have a United States address for me to ship it to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm paying for a US address to ship the box to. And you must be over the age of 18. If you're not, have a legal parent or guardian, anybody over the age of 18 to enter in for you so I can communicate with an adult and get the shipping address to ship it to. And in 2 weeks, I will have a random comment picker go through the comments that say sharing is caring. I will comment back to the winner saying you have 48 hours to contact me back. If you do not contact me back within 48 hours, I will have the random comment picker choose a new comment. The new winner now will have 48 hours, and so on and so forth until I get a confirmed win. Down in the description box below, we'll have all of the official rules, the official end date, and once this is over, it'll say congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm. If it says that, then hold tight. I might need to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you, but once the winner is confirmed, it will say confirmed. And that is it, you guys. Be subscribed, comment, like, put what I said in that comment, only 1 per username, US address, and be over the age of 18. Simple, sweet, and that is it. If you would like a little bit more information about LookFantastic, I will let you know right about now. They did generate my own link, and on there, if you do follow that link and buy a whole year subscription, you will get your very first box for $1. You don't have to go to the whole prepaid year plan. You can do month to month if you would like. If you do month to month, it's $19 per box with free international delivery. If you do a 3-month subscription, it brings it to $18. If you do a 6-month subscription, it brings it to $17. And if you do a 12-month subscription, it brings it to $16, and your very first box would be $1. So you always get free international shipping. You will receive a curated collection of 6 beauty products with a guaranteed worth value of $60 or more. A beauty experience that covers cult favorites to trending beauty brands. Discover the LookFantastic beauty box today. So that is everything that I have to show and tell you about this particular March box, and to tell you about the giveaway. I feel bad that they sent 2 because then they wasted money, but I feel good about it because I get to share this box with you guys now. And that is that. So you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this particular box? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.